Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy here with another breakdown video on GJ obviously. So everybody knows already how I do trade, like support and resistance of the Asia high and low, yeah. But let me just make real quick the breakdown of this pair and what actually happened yesterday, yeah. So we can see we are going up, yeah. So here is nothing to do. The price action is above 50 EMA, yeah. And this is the 8 EMA, I think so, if I'm not surprising, yeah, 8 EMA support, reacting as well as a support. So anyway, I'm always checking the previous day price action, yeah. So what actually happened here? We was actually at the support, yeah. We're on the uptrend. Here's the support, here's the support, here's the support. What happened here? Yeah, tapped in the support, yeah, and then showed me the bullish move, and then again bullish move. But watch this candle, yeah, that was like on Monday. It's a beautiful bearish candle and broke above this 8 EMA. It broke above this candle and everything is changed, yeah. So obviously yesterday I was waiting for the bullish move, yeah. So let's see what actually happened. Let me just delete that. Everybody already knows how do I trade. I'm waiting for creating Asia low and Asia high, yeah, and I'm gonna show you how did I enter the trade, yeah, so everybody can see on the same everybody can be on the same page, yeah. So that's kind of our range. We are now trading in this range, yeah. I'm waiting either to break above, retest and go up, either to come here to fake below, come back into the zone, retest and then move up. Very simple guys. So let's just see what actually happened here. A lot of people, yeah, they'll tell me, watch, it broke above, yeah, but it looks like good, and you see now we come like to retest, beautiful retesting, yeah. But what I did in this case, I throw here a line, yeah, and I'm like, let me see, is it a real break or not? And this is the way how you can understand if it's a break or not. Because to make this area valid, yeah, I need to make sure this one broke some structure, yeah. They did broke this structure though, but for me that's not enough, because basically for me that's like the liquidity point, and it's not the resistance, it's the liquidity point. So definitely it's a high probability that it's gonna fake above, come back into the zone, retest and then go down, yeah. But to make it valid, yeah, I need to see if it broke some structure from yesterday, yeah. So I throw here a line and I went like way back, yeah. And if you see here, yeah, it didn't broke nothing actually, yeah. They came from here and then they broke kind of like the structure from that side, yeah, the Asia high, but I didn't broke none of structure actually, yeah. So to make that valid, I need this high to be taken, yeah. So let's just see how the price moved after that, yeah. A lot of people they can say, yeah man, but that's a break and retest, they broke the structure. I don't count that as a beautiful. And you see, it did work out this time, yeah. And I was like, it's alright, it didn't work out, like, yeah. And now you see, now broke this structure, yeah. So what happened next? Boom, straight bearish engulfing, sorry. And what I was waiting the price to come here, yeah. And that was some sort of news, yeah. And I knew this zone is valid, so I put here a limit, I put below all those lows, the stop loss, and I was targeting this high. It's like 3R. It's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. Let's just see, because I was expecting they to fake below this to take the liquidity out of this low. Yeah. So I just put it like that. Yeah. So it's 283. And let's move on. Tag me in, straight to the profit. And that's like equal highs, and they definitely will gonna be taken. That's how I'm reading the market. Boom, and it's here. And even like that, yeah, if you're seeing like the price moves like that around this area, yeah, but you can still see it's creating higher highs. Yeah, so to me that's a good sign that most likely is gonna break above all this consolidation kind of. So yeah guys, that's kind of my breakdown for GJ, my yesterday's trade. It's been a winner. It's pretty nice, and it's very simple. It's a break and retest strategy. It's nothing rocket science. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please comment down below, subscribe if you like those kind of breakdowns of GJ. So text me the pair, and I'm gonna choose maybe a pair, and I will give you the breakdowns, and everybody can see what I'm doing. So it's very simple. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.